Hi, today we will learn about the first step for a startup venture, which is ideation process. Ideation is the preliminary stage in a business. Ideas are the most significant assets of one's business. None can thrive without the discovery of a great idea. An idea needs to undergo proper development to transform into a flourishing business venture, else raw ideas perish quickly. Ideation facilitation is a challenging and complex task. It requires experience in brainstorming, evaluating, researching, discussions and testing, along with a range of other soft skills. Most of the ideation process originates from trying to fix a problem. We need to prepare for a bumpy ride and take extra provision so that we come out on the other side and arrived at our destination unscathed. What is ideation? Ideation is the creative process of generating, developing and communicating new ideas that can be understood as basic elements of thought that can be either visual, concrete or abstract. It is derived from a brainstorming session, online forums, seminars, survey, social media platform and team building exercise. It is the process of forming ideas from conception to implementation. Now let's talk about a good idea. The essence of the idea that drives everything forward. The business idea creates a reason to invest and also creates sales and profit. Some key elements related to a good idea are: a good idea has the potential to make money in a given environment. The biggest reason why businesses succeed is timing. A good business idea also has a good business plan, a plan to execute and launch our business. A business environment never remains static. Successful businesses don't keep ideas static, they keep on changing and developing as per new circumstances. Execution is as important as planning. Let's go ahead towards imparting knowledge about the fundamentals. First, brainstorm. It's the most frequently practiced technique. Brainstorming intends to leverage the collective thinking of the group of people, coming together with their prior knowledge and research to gather ideas for solving the stated problem, by engaging with each other, listening, and building on other ideas. Write down everything that comes to mind, no matter how trivial or futile your ideas may be. Second, evaluate. Now that you have a combination of ideas, start to analyze each one and test its strength before moving on to the next one. After this, ask yourself a series of questions about each idea. Are you passionate about ideas? Can you see yourself working on it in the next decade? Is the idea simple to explain? Once you have the information that you need, trim down your ideas list and retain only those that have the potential to succeed. Third, research. The goal of the research is to help you make informed decisions and reduce the risk of failure. Research should be about time to market, capital investment, IP potential, development cost, manufacturability and return on investment. Fourth, discuss. Conduct surveys for hundreds of potential customers. Share your ideas formally and informally with friends, family members, co-workers, or anyone else for that matter. Interview some of the experienced entrepreneurs, advertise your idea on social networks, create a prototype and see how the market responds. Lastly, test. The objective of the test is to determine whether the opinion will stand the test of time and observation or not. While conducting tests, pay attention to the prototype, the context and scenario in which you are testing, how you interact, observe and collect feedback from the users. The more you succeed, the better off you will be. If not, it's time to move on and start the ideation process afresh. How a growth mentor, like starting a startup, can help you grow at this stage. If you're looking for a mentor at this stage, and you definitely should be, consider looking for someone with industry experience that has the patience to brainstorm with you. Having someone that can challenge your assumptions will help you develop your ideas. This will be key to evaluating your business idea, and more importantly, to build a foundation that makes going from concept to action more feasible. Hence, the purpose of ideation is to determine solutions for the problems and enable solutions for the problem. Apart from creating solutions, ideation also involves amendments to present ideas or combining two or more ideas to finalize an idea. This video acts as a good startup guide for all of you to develop your idea and be sure of your entrepreneur genes. So what are you waiting for? Add fire to your fuel and achieve your dreams. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like, share, comment. And stay tuned for our next video.